1. Angel Falls, Venezuela. Angel Falls, located in the UNESCO World Heritage Site of Canaima National Park in Venezuela, holds the distinction of being the tallest waterfall in the world, with a staggering height of 979 meters, 3,212 feet, and a continuous drop of 807 meters, 2,648 feet. Named after Jimmy Angel, an American aviator who first sighted the waterfall in 1933, Angel Falls is known locally as Kerepa Kupai Meru, which translates to waterfall of the deepest place. The waterfall is fed by the Churun River, which flows over the edge of the Ollantaytambo, one of the many tabletop mountains that characterize the landscape of the Guiana Highlands. Accessible only by air or river, Angel Falls attracts adventurers and nature enthusiasts from around the world, offering opportunities for hiking, wildlife viewing, and scenic flights over the majestic cascades. 2. Tugela Falls, South Africa. Tugela Falls, located in the Drakensberg Mountains of South Africa's Royal Natal National Park, ranks as the second tallest waterfall in the world, with a total height of 948 meters, 3,110 feet. The waterfall is formed by the Tugela River as it plunges over the edge of the amphitheater, a massive rock escarpment that stretches for over 5 kilometers, 3.1 miles, along the border between South Africa and Lesotho. Tugela Falls is a seasonal waterfall, with its flow varying depending on rainfall and snowmelt in the surrounding mountains. During the wet season, from November to March, the waterfall is at its most impressive, with multiple cascades tumbling down the sheer cliffs of the amphitheater in a spectacular display of natural power and beauty. Hiking trails in Royal Natal National Park offer visitors the opportunity to view Tugela Falls from various vantage points, including the popular Gorge Walk, which provides stunning panoramic views of the waterfall and the surrounding landscape. 3. Tres Hermanas Falls, Peru. Tres Hermanas Falls, located in the Peruvian Andes near the city of Ayacucho, ranks as the third tallest waterfall in the world, with a total height of 914 meters, 2,999 feet. The waterfall is formed by the Huancarhua River as it cascades over a series of steep cliffs in the rugged Andean landscape. Tres Hermanas Falls is named after the three distinct tiers of the waterfall, which resemble three sisters standing side by side. The tallest tier measures approximately 580 meters, 1,903 feet, in height, making it one of the tallest individual drops of any waterfall in the world. Accessible via a scenic hike through the Andean foothills, Tres Hermanas Falls offers visitors the opportunity to experience the breathtaking beauty of the Peruvian wilderness, with its pristine mountain streams, lush cloud forests, and panoramic vistas of the surrounding peaks. 4. Olopana Falls, USA. Olopana Falls, located on the island of Molokai in Hawaii, ranks as the fourth tallest waterfall in the world, with a total height of 900 meters, 2,953 feet. The waterfall is formed by a seasonal stream that flows over the edge of the Molokai Sea cliffs, which rise dramatically from the Pacific Ocean to heights of over 900 meters, 3,000 feet. Olopana Falls is one of several spectacular waterfalls that dot the rugged coastline of Molokai, known as the Friendly Isle, for its laid-back atmosphere and pristine natural beauty. Access to Olopana Falls is limited due to its remote location and the sheer cliffs that surround it, making it difficult to reach by land or sea. However, adventurous visitors can catch glimpses of the waterfall from scenic overlooks along the Calvao coast, or by taking a helicopter tour of the island, which offers bird's-eye views of the majestic cascades as they plunge into the azure waters below. 5. Yambilla Falls, Peru. Yambilla Falls, located in the Amazon rainforest of northern Peru, ranks as the fifth tallest waterfall in the world, with a total height of 896 meters, 2,940 feet. The waterfall is formed by the Quesps River as it cascades over a series of limestone cliffs in the remote Andean foothills. Yambala Falls is known for its sheer beauty, with multiple tiers of cascades surrounded by lush vegetation, colorful orchids, and diverse wildlife. Access to Yambala Falls is via a moderate hike through the cloud forest, which offers opportunities to spot rare birds, butterflies, and other endemic species along the way. The trail passes through indigenous communities and pristine wilderness, providing a glimpse into the rich cultural heritage and natural diversity of the Peruvian Amazon. At the end of the hike, visitors are rewarded with breathtaking views of Yambala Falls as it plunges into a crystal-clear pool below, creating a tranquil oasis amidst the dense jungle.